back to school item. This is a great little mug that you could buy for yourself or your kids. Different colors, different sizes. And also, I like this. This is all silicone. The actual straw is silicone. If you guys can see it, you're going to have to, there's a little tiny little cut snip right there for sucking in the actual contents of the actual bottle. Now, there is a little vent. This is preventing from actually bringing in too much air, so which is perfect. And of course, they give you the straw, which is also, I recommend you guys washing this and replacing. They do replace these once in a while. So the cup itself is really light. It keeps a lot of contents really cold if you want, or warm if you want, because it's all stainless steel in there. This fits in mostly all the cars that make. In fact, they have two different layers for the actual cup holders, so which is perfect. The mug handle, it's pink. This is a really standard shape that everybody uses. Now, the cup holder itself, you still need to wash the actual silicone straw that you have here. So that's two pieces that comes off. This module comes off. And also another thing that you recommend you, take out the silicone little ring too and wash it, because mold does built into these systems. So overall, back to school, great for kids that are going to take extra waters because it's really hot in your location, or it might be cold. Take some coffee or some hot cocoa or some juice, whatever you want on the road. Spill proof. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.